So in my own clinic, I'm often asked this question: how can I motivate myself to really get up early? So before I dive into this question, I want to ask you first, why do you want to get up early? Are you trying to get up early in order to work harder, learn something new, or be so-called successful as many other successful people out there? I know there's a trend out there. A lot of entrepreneurs contribute their success to getting up early. I know there are even some online communities talk about, well, you have to get up at 5 a.m. if you want to be successful. So if that's your goal, I want to really caution you, because in my opinion, each of us have different circadian rhythm. You may be an early bird, then getting up at 5 a.m. would be easy for you and would be really good for you. But for some people, genetically, they meant to be night owls. That means genes decide they're supposed to sleep late and get up late, okay? And this is also decided by its evolutionary history, because as a whole society, as a tribe in the past, there always should be someone go to sleep while others are awake. So as a whole tribe, they can survive, right? At night, if everyone falls asleep at the same time, then animals may come and eat you. So naturally, human being divided into early bird, night owl, and somewhere in between. So if genes decide you are a night owl and you have to force yourself to get up super early in order to work harder or be successful, you may cause insomnia for yourself and you may hurt your health too. We think from the sleep science point of view, if you can sleep as close to your natural circadian rhythm as possible, that would be the best sleep quality. In my clinical work, when I treat patients with anxiety and insomnia, I have to say I saw people who forced themselves to get up early in order to catch up with all these other excellent people in their work, in their life. And then guess what? They suffer from insomnia for years after that. And they really regret that decision to force themselves getting up early, or when their body does not allow it. Okay, so if you want to wake up early for this reason and you know you're a night owl, I don't recommend it. So after knowing all this, you still decide that you have a good reason to wake up early in the morning. I want to share 3 tips with you. First, energetic morning actually start from the day before, especially the level of your physical activity. For example, a recent published study in 2022 from a group of researchers in UC Berkeley, they found the more daytime activities you engaged in the day before and the less physical activities you engage at night the day before, they will all positively correlate to the next morning's energy level. So what you can try is to maybe engage in 15 to 30 minutes of aerobic exercise during the daytime, the day before. Second, get some sunlight exposure in the early morning. As you may already know, if you listen to my other episodes, sunlight is a natural cue for our circadian rhythm, and we do need to anchor it in the morning. The best way to do it is to step out of your house and get exposed under the sunshine for 15 minutes. Of course, do not directly look at the sun. That's going to hurt your eyes. You can do anything outside when the sunshine is there in the environment. That's already going to be super helpful. What I do in my bedroom is I have a smart light. At a certain time in the morning, it's going to slowly, lights up. And that definitely wakes me up. And after I get up, the first thing I do is to open the window curtain and let the sunshine go into my room, go into my eyes. So if you stay inside versus outside, stepping outside will help boost your morning energy better. The third tip is to set up a morning routine. So if you do some similar morning routines every day, that can help your brain and body be ready and help your brain to be alert. So the same UC Berkeley paper mentioned what kind of breakfast you have will be related to your morning energy level. If your breakfast is rich in carbohydrate, that actually is helpful for you to feel alert and energetic in the morning upon wake up. And in my clinical work, I have some clients like to make coffee in the morning or read the news, listen to podcasts as an enjoyable way to transit from a whole night of sleep into their daytime work. I also interviewed Dr. Burden a long time ago. She mentioned in order to wake up early morning, she designed something she really looked forward to, so she could get up to engage in those morning routines that she really looked forward to, and that helped her to get up from the bed. So give these 3 tips a try. Let me know how it works for you. Also, if you have any good tips you have been using to help you feel energetic in the morning, please feel free to leave me a message down below. Let me know. I would love to hear from you and learn from you what works for you. I'm Dr. Yishan. Thank you for watching and listening. Just a reminder, if you have insomnia, I have 2 insomnia courses, one in Chinese, one in English. And you can find them on my website at mindbodygarden.com/course. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter at mindbodygarden.com/sleep. I will see you next time. Bye.